Hello viewers, I have another air raid siren of Los Angeles. This will be Siren 105. It's a rotating. It's on Strandwood Avenue and San Fernando Mission Road here in Mission Hills. It's another rotating. And this one that I've this is the first one I've come across that air raid siren is actually inside of a fire station. This is LAFD Fire Station 75 right here. There's the fire trucks. And this one, it's in their, it's behind the wall in their area. I'll show you a map. So that's where I'm at, and these are the other ones I've been to. And this one down here, that was the one off of Mulholland. That was another rotating. That was next to fire station 109, 128. That was also rotating. So that one was next to the fire station, and this one is actually in it. So it's just behind the wall here, Fire Station 75. So there it is, another rotating. And there's the electrical wire right there. It's been no electric to this one. Yeah, this is it's just on the inside of the wall of the fire station here. There it is, another rotating. It's inside of fire station 75. No electricity to Siren 105. All right, thanks for watching.